Today we will learn about neumorphic design in SwiftUI. As you are seeing this screen, like when I click on this one, you will see the 3D kind of button and the 3D type of text field. This is when I click on the Facebook. Now you will see that it is properly showing that it button is clicked. So now how we will create this one, this kind of view. So for that we need to add a vertical stack and add a text inside this and add one more vertical stack and put that text inside, and we will add image here. Image will be from here Apple logo. We will put this one here and make it resizable, and frame of height of width. We need to add a width first. Width of 100 and height of 100 and Apple sorry market, and make it bold. Now we have added this one, so we will resume this, and now we will add some shadow here. For that we need to make a struct custom view modifier. There is already function for body content dot background color dot white, and add some shadow here. Suppose we will add color dot gray dot opacity of 0.6 and a radius of 5 and x of 5 and y of 5. Now we need to add this one here as a modifier. There is already modifier and a custom view modifier, and we will add here. Now resume this one. Now we will you will see some padding here. Now we will add a padding so now it will show some space. Now we need to add some more shadow, and we will add this one black, and it will be -5 and -5. Now you will see that shadow is here, not showing here. So for that we need to add a shadow of 3, and we will make this 5 and 5. Okay. Now it is showing good. For that we need to add opacity of 2, but it is showing thus. Add some corner radius also, 15. Now you will see until I have not added any corner radius, it is look like this. Control that. When I add corner radius, it will give exact what we need, -5, and we will add -5 for this, and this will add exact. Now we will add 5, and this will be less shadow. So now we have exact what we need. So for that now we need to add a text field. For that we need to add an icon with text field. So we will add h stack here, and image or system image. We will add system image of envelope dot fill. So we have system image here, and we will add text field, and title will be email, and sorry, not title, it will be a placeholder at the state where email string equal to, we add two variables, email and password. Now we have added two variables. It will be a dollar email. So we need to diagnose it, and we will add some spacing here of suppose 20, no, 25. Okay, now it is not showing. Okay, now it is showing the text field. We will add some padding here, so that will increase the size between the content. So now we have padding here, and we will add some neumorphic design on this text field. So we will add struct custom text field modifier. It will be a type of view modifier, and we will make this function body, and we will add a background color, sorry, content dot background color dot white, and now we will add some corner radius 15, and overlay. We will add some overlay. For overlay we need to add what we need to add is that a rounded rectangle of a radius of 15, and stroke with color, sorry, stroke with color black dot opacity of 0.3, or it will be 4, line width will be 4. Then we will add some shadow, color dot black dot opacity of 0. It will be like 2, and the radius will be 6 and 6 and 6. Sorry, we need to make it less, 0.5. So resume this one, but we have not applied it yet. So we need to apply this here. So modifier will be of type of custom text field modifier. Now you will see some shadow here. We need to add some clipping, clip the shape rounded rectangle of radius 15. So now it will clip this from bottom. Now we will add some shadow here, more shadow, color, sorry, we will copy this one so we don't need to write code again and again. -6 and -6 and one more clip shape. Okay, now you will see the 3D type of text field, and now what we have to do, copy this one and make one more copy of this and inline this, and it will be lock and password of secure text field, and it will be dollar password. Now you will see, sorry, it is going out of the code, so we need to add here. Now see, it will create one more text field with email password, sorry. So now we will add button with some effects. So button add text, here will be login dot frame, max width will be infinity, min height will be 50. Now we have button with minimum height of we will make it not here, we will add this one here. So now you will see the button is coming. Now we need to add some effect on button. For that we need struct custom button modi, but it will be of type of button style. So function make body, and it will be content configuration dot label, and background will be color dot white, and corner radius as always 15, and there will be some overlay. The overlay will be some view with vertical stack, and vertical stack, if configuration is pressed, then what it will do, it will make this kind of shape. So we will copy the text field shape and we will copy paste it here. When the button is pressed, it will show this shape. Otherwise we need to add a shadow color dot, we will copy this one, do not write, so we will save our time. 6 and add one more shadow, we will make it 3 and 5, and keep this one -6 and -6. Now let's resume. So we have not applied it yet, button modi, so we will add it here, and button style will be a button style custom button modi, and it will be applied here. So we have enough uh, from top, so we need to make it 1, so there will be less from top, less shadow from top. Now what we need is, we need to add a space from leading and trailing. For that we need to add padding, so it will automatically add space from leading and trailing. Now you will see it is adding the space from leading and trailing. Now what I am exactly trying to do is showing the click on this here button and show the effect of the polymorphic design in SwiftUI. So it is running now. We will for now we will add in background image while it is running. Z stack and image, and put this code inside this. Okay, now what we need is background image. So for that we have already background image here. We will add it here and resize the, and frame will be max width of infinity, and max height will be, sorry, max height will be infinity also, so it will cover the whole screen of the. So what we have designed yet, so it is showing the text field with 3D, some 3D effects. When I click on this one, it is showing the 3D effect on the button, but there is, it is not showing like that button is pressed. So we need to hide the shadow when the button is pressed. So for that we will add some coding here, check here. So it will check configuration. If configuration is pressed, then it will be 0, otherwise it will be 0.5. if it pressed, then it will be 0, sorry, it will be 0, then otherwise it will be 0.1. So now we have added, but there is a space. Add one here also. There is a space from top and bottom. For that we will add some edge ignoring, that will be all, so it will cover the whole screen. Now we have all set. Now we will run this app, and you will see what exactly we need. Now it is running. So we have 3D types of text field, and let's say we write this one and this, and when I click on this, you will see when I click there is some animation type going on. When I click on this button, when I keep pressing it, then it will show the 3D kind of button. So this is neumorphic design in SwiftUI. So that's all. There are three buttons what I have seen in the previous. So you can add same code for the those buttons as I have already added a for login button. So this is how we can achieve the polymorphic design in SwiftUI. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.